So we've just been told that there is something wrong with our AC Cobra Replica. So what we're going to do is we're going to pop down and have a little look in the workshops and talk to Mauro and Chris and see what they found. So let's go. I'm here with Mauro, our paint technician in the body shop here at Bridge Classic Cars. So Mauro's noticed the problem with our AC Cobra Replica. So what is it, Mauro?
Yes, we noticed the body, the real arch is very close to the wheel. So now to make it fix right, we have to cut a bit of the section of the body and move it a bit backwards.
Right.
If you notice from other side of the wheel, you can see the difference, how it is. You have a look on this wheel here. You see the gap.
Yeah.
Yes.
The gap is so much bigger.
Bigger,
So
it
is
is.
that exactly how it should be?
Yes,
Yeah.
it is. So that's what plan for another side. That's what we're going to do. Just cut the section here. If you need come here, yeah, that's it. You cut this section here over here, that way, that line, and just move what the gap we need to make backward, and then make it again with fiberglass and build it again. And it should be.
So
That is the plan, isn't it?
how does a problem like this happen?
I don't know. I think it was when you make the body, the shape, it was not the right way to do it, isn't it?
Oh, okay.
Yes. So, because we measure the wheels, the axle from both sides is all right, is okay. So, yes, I think the problem is the body. So we need to make it right.
Okay, how much work is this going to take? Is it a big job?
Not big, but that's still a bit. It's still all right. It's fiberglass. You can build it. Yeah,
Okay.
You can make everything we want, pretty much.
Well, good luck with it, Mauro, and we
Okay.
can't wait to see it when
Yeah,
it's
keep you
finished.
updated, isn't it? Okay, guys. See you later on.